It's cotton candy cloud.
Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this unit that I am rocking right now. This is a unit by Sensationnel that just came out. It is called UD11, so if you guys are interested then definitely keep on watching.
Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. And I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Girls them are random. Me I fit to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you. Her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I go love you forever, oh. For your body, I'm a risk it. I'm a risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, dark she no they do me, she get. You wanna come move fair. Now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. I just gotta tell you what's in my mind, you gotta know. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Original Batman.
Okay divas, so now that you guys have seen all the details and the specs on this hair, I'm here to tell you guys how I feel about it, so let's just jump right in. Okay, so first of all, this hair is just so unbelievably soft, and finally she does have texture. She does have a light kinky texture, and I am so here for it. Now on camera it might not look like it, but she definitely does have like a light kinky texture, and I don't think I stood up and showed you guys the length. I can't remember, but I'll go ahead and do that now so you guys could also see the length on me and the texture. So yeah, this is how it falls on me. And then I don't know if you guys could see that texture, but it is like a really beautiful texture. Like, I am so in love with it. I love how soft it is. They did a really good job with the textures on these units, the up down units. I did do the other one yesterday, and that one was really beautiful as well. I love the texture. I love, like, it's just so cute. And I will leave that one in the description box below as well, so if you guys are interested in that one. But let's go ahead and talk about this one. I really do love it. I've been waiting for them to come out with one that was texture, because I thought that, I think it was like UD6, I thought that one was texture, but it wasn't. It just looked like that to me, in my personal opinion, on the stock card. But yeah, like, I'm so excited about this one. I absolutely love this one. Now, one thing I want to address in my video that I did yesterday as well, it does look like, and it's kind of looking like that on camera to me right now too, it kind of looks like this, like my hair is a little bit lighter. I don't know if it's appearing like that now, but it looks like it's like appearing lighter, but it's not. Like, it looks nothing like that in person, so please excuse that if that's happening again today in this video. But yeah, so overall I really love the unit. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, I did experience minimal shedding and minimal tangling, but that's to be expected. This is a texture synthetic unit, so you are gonna get some, and it's super affordable. It's only about like 23 or 24 bucks, so I feel like that's like really good. And the overall style is just really pretty. I feel like Sensationnel did an amazing job with this one. This is hands down my favorite one. I have tried quite a few, and if you guys want me to try some other ones that I haven't tried yet, then definitely let me know. So yeah, but I really like this one. This one is my favorite, okay? Like, and I know I skipped over 9. If you guys want me to try UD9, then let me know. But this one is my favorite because it was easy. Like, it was easy for me to match my texture. Even though I went in and flat ironed my hair, I just wanted my hair to have like a more sleek look, because although this is like a kinkier texture, like it is still like kind of, I don't know, I felt like I needed to do that so that my hair could blend in really well. But yeah, I am loving it, divas. If you guys want to know my opinion, I definitely feel like you guys should go ahead and pick her up, because she is just so cute and she will definitely give you a look. This texture is amazing. It'll be easy for you to blend your hair, and I love that. I feel so confident when I could wear a unit and it has texture, and I don't feel like I'm gonna be clocked, especially when it comes to ponytails and half wigs. I just really love that. So overall, I'm very impressed with this unit. It's just so gorgeous. Oh yeah, one more thing I wanted to mention, this half wig also has layers. Now, I know I didn't show you guys like any other styles, but I just wanted to show you guys how I do the half up, half down style. But yeah, this half wig does have layers, so if you guys want to wear it like alone, just as a half wig or whatever, like, it definitely has layers, and it will look really cute. As far as the ponytail could be worn alone too, because I'll go ahead and try to separate it from the rest of the hair, but it is thick enough. I know that was a problem with the other ponytails. They were kind of a little bit thinner, but this one is thicker, and I'm guessing it's because of the density is a little bit higher, because this is like a kinkier texture. Yeah, like I said, she is definitely a winner. I am super happy with her, and if you guys are interested, I will have a link down in the description box below. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you fabulous girls did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, then definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous girls and know what you guys are thinking, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often, and you definitely do not want to miss any of my upcoming videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. It is greatly appreciated, and I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.